Welcome back to Market Pros. All right, so here we got Ethereum on the 4 hour on Coinbase. Similar story to Bitcoin, except a little weaker. Because right now, remember that purple line that we had drawn? Well, once we broke it, it became resistance. So we did come down to the bottom. Remember, we were talking about major support in this area. We did get the wick down. We need to get back above this purple line right here, because if these moving averages start to fan out, I think we could break the bottom of this range right here, or the bottom of this region. That's if they start to fan out, and then we're being held down by the 21. If we can't get above that 21, we're in trouble. Your momentum oscillators, your RSI is in the bullish control zone. You are below the signal line, your MACD. Okay, so you got some pretty steep downside curvature right now, and your negative momentum is increasing. Your vol is high. As you can see, your BBWP is in the upper zone, about to touch the top. Let's go down to the 1 hour. Okay, so on the 1 hour, yeah, we got rejected perfectly from that line. So yeah, that's going to be a major level of resistance. Right now we're being held down by the 21. Your RSI trying to get out of the bearish control zone. You did get rejected from the top so far. So if we can get out of that bearish control zone and get back above this purple line right here, I think we come all the way up to the POC, point of control, on the VPVR at 1967 region. See your MACD fresh cross to the upside, and you are printing a dark green bar on the histogram. Vol's very high. As you see, your BBWP is printing the red signals, which signifies that it is at the top line. So high volatility. We were talking about the move was coming. Now it happened 2 days after I thought it was, but and it happened a day after the FOMC minutes. But here we are. It's coming, or it came. I don't think it's over either. Let's go to the 4 hour. So I need a drink. All right. So on the 4 hour, once again, your moving averages, you need to get this 21 and this 50 to curl back up in order to be bullish. Your RSI pretty deep into the bearish control zone. We are below that signal line. We did bounce off of the oversold region, which was this potential bear trap. This isn't a bear trap unless we can get back above the 21. If we can get back above the 21, I think we could come up even to the 2100 mark. Yeah. If we can get back above that 21, I think we could go up to 2100. Your MACD, though, has a pretty steep downside curvature right now. So basically on the short term, it looks like we could still get more of a bounce. On the 4 hour, we need to get back above this 21. If this thing curls over, it's not going to look good. If we touch the bottom here again, I think we're going to break it. Vol is high. As you see, your BBWP is in the upper zone, almost to that red line. Let's go ahead and check your stochastics and your Bollinger Bands. Okay, so as soon as you start to close below this Bollinger Band on this candle here, you knew that you added some downside moves coming, and that would have got you short basically right here, halfway down this move, and before this big red candle. And then when you continued to close below the bottom side Bollinger Band, that lets you know that you were probably going to have some more downside. Now your stochastic momentum oscillator is pointing up, but with this tick right here, we need to get this thing back up, because if it continues to point down and we get rejected from this middle band, which is the 20 moving average, that's not going to look good. If we get this cross on the stochastic, your BBWP stays high, your RSI stays in the bearish control zone, it's not going to look too good for Ethereum. Right now, we're down 3.4%. Bitcoin's actually up. Bitcoin looks stronger than other coins. Other coins are getting murdered. I mean, really. Yeah, it's definitely not altcoin season at the moment. Bitcoin's definitely more stable. If you guys are liking this video so far, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out our links in the description below. And check out our Discord. We have a lot of good conversation about trading, investing, crypto there. And so those are my thoughts. Well, let's go back and talk about levels real quick. So basically, if we can get back above the 21, I think we could come